A split second on the road can change everything, and without clear video proof, you're left with guesswork. Please watch this video till the end, because today I'm revealing the top 5 best dash cams for cars, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which dash cam offers the best protection, clarity, and reliability for your vehicle. I'll cover video quality, night vision, parking protection, and real-world usability. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. OMBAR T1 4K. The OMBAR T1 is a feature-packed triple-channel dashcam designed for drivers who want full coverage at a competitive price. Review highlights. It records 4K front, 1080p rear, and 1080p interior footage, uses Starvis 2 IMX678 sensors, and delivers full-color HDR night vision for clearer nighttime details. A free 128GB card is included. Pros: triple-channel recording, Starvis 2 sensor with HDR night vision, free 128GB memory card, fast 5G Wi-Fi connectivity, supports up to 512GB storage. Number 4. ROVE R2 4K Dual. The ROVE R2 4K Dual is a trusted front and rear dashcam known for reliability and value. Review highlights. It records 4K front and full HD rear footage, features a Starvis 2 sensor for improved night clarity, and includes a free 128GB card, making it ready to use right out of the box. Pros: 4K front plus rear recording, Starvis 2 night performance, fast 5G Wi-Fi with mobile app, free 128GB card included, excellent everyday protection. Number 3. VIOFO A229 Pro. The VIOFO A229 Pro is a premium dual-channel dashcam built for drivers who prioritize video quality. Review highlights. It uses dual Starvis 2 sensors, capturing 4K front and 2K rear video with outstanding HDR performance. Voice control, GPS, and advanced parking features make it extremely dependable. Pros: dual Starvis 2 sensors, 4K front plus 2K rear recording, excellent HDR night performance, voice control and built-in GPS, strong parking surveillance. Number 2. REDTIGER F17 4K. The REDTIGER F17 is a triple-camera dashcam offering full vehicle coverage at a strong value. Review highlights. It records 4K front, 1080p rear, and 1080p interior footage, includes IR night vision, built-in GPS, and comes with a 64GB memory card included. Pros: triple-channel recording coverage, 4K front camera, IR interior night vision, built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, excellent value for full coverage. Number 1. 70mm 4K T800. The 70mm 4K T800 is the most complete dashcam solution for cars in 2026, combining flagship features with outstanding reliability. Review highlights. It delivers triple-channel recording, capturing 4K front, 4K rear, and 1080p interior video. With Starvis 2 HDR night vision, Wi-Fi 6 and optional 4G LTE, ADAS safety features, and 24-hour parking mode, it sets a new standard for in-car protection. Pros: triple-channel recording, front, rear, and interior, dual 4K cameras for maximum clarity, Starvis 2 HDR night vision, Wi-Fi 6 and optional 4G LTE support, advanced ADAS safety features, supports up to 512GB storage. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, the best dashcam for your car. After comparing video quality, night performance, coverage, features, and real-world reliability, the 70mm 4K T800 stands out as the best dashcam for cars, offering unmatched protection and peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the best deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.